Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. On this episode, as we continue the 48 Laws of Power series, we look at Law 32, play to people's fantasies. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. Law 32 talks about playing to people's fantasies. The truth is boring. It's not as fun and as imaginative as fantasies are. And that's what this law is saying. You need to appeal to people's fantasies. When life becomes very boring and gloomy, if you can play into people's fantasies and help them get to that place where they feel that things could actually get better, that is where you will attract wealth and power. And it's probably why there's so many successful motivational speakers, coaches, even normal individuals that just have that power, because they're able to get that out of you. They're able to get your mind to think about something so great and positive. If you're able to get people to that place, they are going to have some more respect for you and you're going to be in a powerful position. Like I say, I always put out my disclaimer. I feel like these things should be used for good intent. And I think the best way is to be genuine. You're not just telling people things that they want to hear. You actually believe it yourself, that if they were to think more positively, they would be able to achieve whatever they want. And for me, I think that isn't so much of a fantasy. That's just letting people know and making sure that people are aware of their power and what they can do. The law also mentions that there's different types of fantasies. There's transformative change. Like I mentioned, motivational speakers are probably in that kind of field. Where there's transformative change, there's people that are looking to change their lives, whether that's mentally, physically, spiritually. There's adventure, people that don't want to do the normal day-to-day. They're looking for a bit more activity, something more social and exciting, traveling the world, doing new things. So those are just a couple of examples of different fantasies. But as you know, there are many different fantasies, and the way to find out what people's fantasies are by talking to them, asking them the questions. And then once you know that, you're able to then give them that kind of encouragement. But like I say, I look at the 48 Laws of Power and try and think, as much as some of these laws can be seen as quite dark, how can these be applied in a positive way? And I think that's the same for this law. Use it to motivate and inspire others, and not just to, get them to do what you want. So that was a summary of Law 32, play to people's fantasies. The more you give them that sense of hope, you let them know that what they want is achievable, people are more likely to look up to you, and with that comes wealth and the power. In the next video, we will be looking at Law 33, discover each man's thumbscrew. Yes, people, I hope you enjoyed that summary there. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. Make sure you share with your people them as well. Let them know we are covering the 48 Laws of Power series here. And you can also check out the other Motivational Lee videos on the channel too. Have a great week. Stay blessed, and I'll catch you in my next video. Dunno, boy.
People don't know. I just want to enjoy